YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Are you doing good? Are you not doing good? Let me know, because somebody will get beat up behind you, period. So you guys, as you can see from today's title, I'll be working with a beautiful brand called Tinashe Hair. The hair came in this white box with this watercolor design on it, which is so cute. I have worked with this brand before a while back, and they have some awesome products, so I am very excited to be working with them again today. Give me some goodies in this pink bag that says Tinashe on the front. They sent me a pamphlet with their information on the back, as well as their social media handles, which is really pretty. They sent me a packet of wig caps, a red bonnet, and looks like a wrap for when you do your edges. So thank you so much for the goodies, and as well as some lashes. Anything with highlights in it, y'all know that is my thing. Like, it is just so pretty. It's not traditional, like it's not just black, it's not just brown, it's like something different. So 1-inch frontal unit, it is a highlight unit, you guys. It is so thick and full, just absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it is a frontal. They have lace at the back. You can glue this down and pull your hair up into a ponytail. They also have clips that you can clip into your braids. And you get this much parting space, you guys, which is pretty good. And you get some more lace at the front that you can do your like baby hair and stuff like that. The cap construction is a plus. Like, look at that. You know how many looks you can get from that? The lace is also super thin, you guys. Like, this lace is super thin, so they know exactly what they're doing. The hairline is eating the girls up. Look at that. I didn't even pluck this, you guys, and I don't even think I have to, so that tells you a lot right there. Hey, you guys, if you are feeling this unit, make sure you check my description box. I will have the direct link, and if you want to see how I get the look, make sure you continue watching. So step 1 to applying your wig. I know you guys said that you wanted to see more like details about how I do my hair, because I have gotten so good at it over the years. I'm glad you guys see my progress. But step 1 is to measure it. Like, basically you're gonna measure and make sure that it fits directly to your head. So you're gonna go right above your ear, and you're gonna cut off. You're gonna go right above your ear, and you're gonna make sure that you cut off the excess lace that you do not need. That's step 1 to applying your wig. So then you go to your other side and make sure you get the right cut off that extra earpiece that you do not need. Boom. So once that is gone, you should be able to have your hair exactly where it needs to be. Once your lace has dried clear, you're going to go ahead and place your unit. This lace is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that. I'm going to take the wrap that they gave me, and I'm going to wrap it around my head. So next step in this process is going to be removing the lace. So this is one side removed, looking like that. Without the baby hair, it's just straight freshly installed lace. Now, I don't know what type of style I'm going to do with this unit, but I know very much going to be flat ironed. So I feel like doing the big baby hairs when you do, like, when you part right here and you part right here. So you're going to part 4 sections. This is how you get the big oversized baby hair look. Okay, guys, so this turned out to be the finished look. I really love this install, you guys. I haven't done a middle part with straight in a while, and I really absolutely love how it turned out. I did the like 2 baby hair look. Well, it's really 4. I just think this look is so gorgeous. I think it is so simple and cute. Tinashe, this unit was amazing. Everything about it was awesome. It is definitely true to length, very thick, very soft, very long, 24 inches long. It's very good on me. So yeah, period. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check the link in my description box. I will have the direct link there. You guys can go get this exact look. Make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you comment down below what you want to see from me next. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.